In this video, I'm going to talk about 3 free B2B Google Ads courses that you can take if you want to master this topic this year. These courses are sequential, so you can start with the first one, then go to the second one, and finally the third one. So without further ado, let's walk through it. So if you go to AdConversion.com and you sign up for free, you can go here to the courses section. And in the courses section, you're going to see these 3 Google Ad courses that I created, teaching you how to go from a beginner to an expert in Google Ads for B2B specifically. The problem with most Google Ad courses is they're geared towards small business or e-commerce. And if you're getting into B2B and SaaS, there are complete nuances that are missed with these generic courses. So just to kind of walk through these courses, with the 101 course, this one's all around how to launch your campaigns from start to finish. So if you actually click on the course here, you're going to see more about the modules. So in module 1, we're going to talk about the Googleverse and the game you're playing and how to win. So this is really where you get like a good Google Ads crash course. You'll understand the formula for winning Google Ads, the relevance game, how to know if Google Ads is right for you with the Google Ads sweet spot, understanding all the key terms and metrics and terminology to understand the lingo of Google Ads, how to master your account, and the 3 pillars for a successful launch. In the second module, we're going to go all into measurement. So this is where we'll talk about building your conversion funnel, setting up conversion tracking, understanding how to set up value track templates and get better data and insights, building a Google Ads operating system and dashboard for reporting to understand your contribution to your CRM and your pipeline and revenue performance. In module 3, we're going to dive into targeting. So we're going to get into keywords versus search terms, how to defend yourself against Google spending your budget, really important lesson. And then in module 4, we're going to get into planning. So this is where we're going to get into the Google Ads launch formula. So you'll learn step by step. You can see it's all laid out for you here on how to actually launch your campaign from start to finish. So the idea with Google Ads 101 is it's for beginners. So if you don't know anything about Google Ads, this is where you'll start. And then once you graduate, you have your campaigns live. Now the next step is for you to go into Google Ads 102, where we're going to teach you how to actually convert your clicks into profits. Because if you're new to Google Ads, it's very easy to launch a campaign. That's the easy part. The hard part is, okay, my campaign is launched. What do I do now? How do I make it better? How do I go from here? So that's what 102 is all about. Just to give you some context, in the first module, we're going to talk about visibility and how to find the whole sucking profits. So in this module, we're going to cover the 8-part Google Ads audit process. So how to audit your account from top to bottom. This is the exact same process we use internally in our ad agency, working with 7-figure SaaS companies. Like our clients include ActiveCampaign, Mixpanel, Checker, NetSpy, like the list goes on in terms of like big software companies that are running millions of dollars in ad spend every single year. This is the exact same audit process we would run them through. Next, you're going to learn about workflows and how to optimize your account on a daily, weekly, monthly, and quarterly basis. So I'll show you everything step by step with accompanying resources and templates to understand how to actually optimize your account. Then we're going to go into experimentation. This is where we'll talk about how to actually automate profitability. So we're going to talk about the concept of automated rules and using automation in your optimization process and really taking you to the next level. Campaign experiments, landing page experiments. And then finally in module 4, we're going to go into troubleshooting. So how to answer some of the most common problems that arise when managing Google Ad campaigns. So that's Google Ads 102. And there's one more course, if that's not enough already, which is all around scaling for the advanced advertisers. And this is the end of our trilogy here. And this is all about how do you scale your search campaigns to the next level. So in module 1, we're going to talk about the concept of vertically scaling your Google Ad campaigns with the 3-phase process. In module 2, we're going to talk about how to scale horizontally through campaign themes. And then finally in module 3, we're going to talk about how to scale outside of paid search with some different channels. So all of our courses, if you're not familiar, these are not, courses filmed on a webcam. These are all production level quality courses like you can see here on the right. They are jam-packed with resources and templates. And again, they're 100% free. So just to show you what it looks like when you actually log into the LMS, this is what you'll see here. So you'll be able to access the course content just like this. If you scroll down, you'll be able to access the course workbook that has all of the accompanying resources, the transcript. If you have questions, you can join the community, and it's all laid out for you here so that you can learn this in the most effective way possible. So if you are looking to learn B2B Google Ads in this year, then I cannot recommend a better resource than our 3 free courses. I have polled literally hundreds of B2B marketers, asking them, where do you learn B2B and ads for SaaS? And they could not give me a good, straightforward answer. So that is the problem we are hoping to solve here, giving you one place you can go to master B2B advertising from start to finish. So if you're asking and you're wondering, like, what's the catch? How are these courses free? This is crazy. I know I have a joke with people, but I always say, like, I'm either the smartest person in the world or the dumbest person in the world, because I'm giving everything away for free and like literally not asking for anything other than, hey, you need to create an account so you can access the course material. So you have to sign up. That's literally it. So the only catch is, if you get value from the course, all we ask is that you leave a testimonial or you share with your friends or colleagues to help us spread the word to as many people as possible. So anyways, if you guys want to get access to these courses, I will drop them in the links in the description box down below. And hopefully we will see you on the other side of the academy. I'll see you in the next video.